In this demo, I'm going to show you how to register your Emergency Communication Center to the Launchpad version of AskRail using the RailLink onboarding application. To onboard your ECC, open raillink.com in your browser. From the home page, hover over Support and select Getting Started with RailLink. Scroll to the bottom of the RailLink onboarding application section of the page and select the Launch the RailLink onboarding application button. On this page, as an emergency communication center, select the non-industry reference flow named Other located at the bottom of the page. The registration page is displayed. Enter all required fields marked with an asterisk for each of the registration screens. For the primary name and email, enter the name of your ECC, and if possible, the email should be a group email address with more than one recipient. The secondary contact can be a specific person, like the director, who is registering the ECC. Once you have entered your information, select Next. Enter the ECC name. For company category, select Emergency Communication Center. Enter your ECC's full address. Select Next. Review the information you have entered. You can select the Back button to go back and edit a previous screen. Once you are ready to register, select Submit. Once you have registered your ECC, the next step is to register for an SSO account to access the Launchpad and then log in and submit a request to use the AskRail application in the Launchpad. SSO is a system that provides access to RailLink applications. To create an SSO account, navigate to raillink.com and select the customer login link in the top right corner of the website. From the Account Access page, select the Need Help Signing In link and then select the Don't Have a RailLink Account link. Read through the terms of use and select Accept. Enter all mandatory fields marked with an asterisk on the user information page and select Confirm. An email will be sent to you for verification. Verify your account within 14 days. Once you have access to SSO, you can use it to request authorization to AskRail. Next, let's take a look at the Launchpad. The RailLink logo is displayed on all pages and provides a convenient link to raillink.com. The user ID shows your logged in user ID and your company name. Sign Out logs you out of SSO and any open RailLink applications in the current browser. These portlets are available in the Launchpad. My Applications is a portlet that shows the applications you are authorized to use. My Profile provides quick access to your personal information. Edit My Profile enables you to edit your SSO profile. If you need to change your employer information, you'll be required to contact RailLink's Customer Success Center. Change Password enables you to change your password. Support Cases provide inquiries or support cases that you've submitted to the RailLink Customer Success Center. Use this link to create, view, update, and search support cases. View Request Permissions opens the Request Applications Access page, which enables you to request access to RailLink applications. Each application is listed alphabetically and has a request button to initiate an access request. Locate AskRail and select the Request button. The Request Permission page is displayed. Select the role for the access needed. Enter your company name, and you have the option to enter comments. When requesting more than one role, you have the option to apply the company name to all requested roles. Click Next. Click Continue to submit your request. Click Request Additional Permissions to return to Request Application Access, or click Done to return to the Launchpad. Check Status of Permission Requests opens the Permission Request Status page. User Guide opens the current user guide for SSO in the Launchpad in a new tab or window. The bottom of each page contains links to legal notices, privacy rights, terms of use, and the Contact Us page. The Contact Us link opens a page containing information about how to contact Rail Inc. That wraps up this brief overview of how to register your emergency communication center to the Launchpad version of AskRail using the RailLink onboarding application and request access to the Launchpad and AskRail. Contact us for more information.